Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vikas Nera, and in today's video, we will talk about how to install Kali Linux on AWS EC2. Kali Linux is an operating system, just like Windows. It's primarily used for security purposes and ethical hacking. We'll install it on AWS EC2. First, you need to go to AWS Services. You need to log in to your AWS account. If you don't have one, I've already made a video on how to create an account. Make sure you're in the EC2 dashboard. Now, click on Launch Instance. Go to the AWS Marketplace and search for Kali. I recommend selecting the first option that comes up, as it's available in the free tier. You'll see pricing information, but don't worry about it now. Since we're using the free trial, this pricing will only apply after your free trial ends. After continuing, you'll see a free trial option. Select this. Click Next. Here you can add storage if needed. Let's set the storage to 30 GB, which is the maximum for the free tier. Then click Review and Launch. Now you need to create a new key pair. I'll name it Kali_Vikas. Download the key pair file. After downloading, click on Launch Instance. It will automatically start the launch process. Once created, you'll connect to it. Click on View Instances. It will show as pending initially. It will take some time to become active. I'll continue the video once it's ready. Both instances are now in the running state. Select one and click Connect. To connect, AWS provides a sample command. You can use tools like PuTTY, but today we'll use the Windows command prompt. I've made previous videos on installing WordPress and other applications using PuTTY, but this time we'll use the command prompt that comes with Windows 10. Now, open File Explorer. The file we just downloaded, Kali_Vikas.pem, should be in your Downloads folder. Navigate to the Downloads folder in the command prompt. I'm now in my Downloads folder, and the key file is here. AWS has provided a connection command. I'll copy and paste it here to show you. In this command, Kali_Vikas.pem is our private key file. Replace root with Kali as the username. Don't use root as the username, use Kali instead. Copy the modified command, paste it in the command prompt, and press Enter. It's asking if you want to continue connecting. Type yes and press Enter. If it doesn't connect, you may need to adjust the file permissions. Go to the Downloads folder, right-click the key file, go to Properties, then Security, and make sure you have read permissions. In Properties, go to Security, then Advanced. Make sure you have the necessary permissions. Apply the changes and click OK. Now, try the connection command again. Now we're logged in as the Kali user, not root. I'll provide the necessary commands in the video description or in a blog post. Copy and paste the first command here. Press Enter. After this, use the second command. Let it install. As it's installing, continue copying and pasting these commands. I've pasted the second command. Press Enter. If it asks for confirmation, type Y and press Enter. Let it install, then move to the next command. If it asks for confirmation during installation, type Y and press Enter. After the previous installation is complete, run this command. Copy and paste it, then press Enter. Select the option below and press Enter. Now run this command. Copy and paste it here, then press Enter. It will ask for a password. Enter a password you'll remember, as you'll need it to access Kali. Enter your password, then verify it by typing it again and pressing Enter. Once that's done, you'll need to download a software called VNC Viewer. Download VNC Viewer from its official website. I already have VNC Viewer installed on my Windows machine. In VNC Viewer, you need to enter localhost 5901. It won't connect immediately. I'll show you why it says connection refused by the computer. To connect, you need to open Command Prompt again and navigate to your Downloads folder. In the Downloads folder, you need to use a specific command. You'll need to modify it with your key file name. Replace the file name and the command with your .pem file name. My file is named kalivikash.pem. Now we need the IP address. Select your instance in the EC2 dashboard. You'll find the public IP address there. Copy it and use it in the command. The username is Kali. Run the command here and press Enter. If it asks to continue, click Continue. It will ask for a password. Use the password you set earlier, and you'll be connected. Now, similar to using RDP, you can go to Applications and open a terminal, just like in Kali Linux. You're now connected as the Kali user. You can perform all operations here as needed. I ran the ls command, which shows the folders and directories. You can use cd to navigate. You can run any command here. Similarly, you can install and use various tools. In the settings, you'll find many options for graphics and other Kali tools related to ethical hacking. You can download and use them here. You can use all these tools as needed. So, friends, in this video I showed you how to install Kali Linux on AWS EC2. I've made many other videos on AWS, which you can find in my playlist. Make sure to check those out as well. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please do so. I'll be posting more videos on scripting, Python, and email marketing. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.